Welcome everybody to the Family DIY channel. Today I'm in my bathroom and I found that the water is just not going down properly down my sink drain. So what can you do? Well, the trick I have found is I picked up this Drain Weasel hair clog remover. It is this long pole that has these bristles on the end that help grab onto anything that's down your drain. You can pick these up at Home Depot, you can get them online on Amazon. You can check in the description below where I do have a copy of it. So to use this device, all you have to do is just unscrew the top cap right here. So right now I actually lost one of the pieces. It also comes with this part up here that helps spin it around, but I don't really think you really need that. So you can go and slide this down the drain. See, it can definitely go really far down there. It's a nice bendy stick. And then all you gotta do is start pulling it up. And you're gonna start seeing it's starting to pull a lot of gunk and debris down from inside there. So I'm definitely feeling some resistance in there. So it helps remove the hair from your bathroom sink. Alright, so now that we pulled that out, you have two options with this one. You can always just throw it out, or you could wash it and reuse it. So let's get some water flowing here. And you can see how quick and easy that was to clear up the drain. And then while you're at it, you can always use this in your shower as well. So sometimes, you're doing your shower and you got hair coming off and getting stuck. So this can be also used in here to pull out any hair and particles that are stuck down your drain causing a plug. So if you found this video to be useful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.